Hello everyone, how are you doing? So, in today's math class, we will start solving the math final revision sheet. Okay? So, make sure to write your name, even if you are staying home, and let's get started. Now here, for each pair, circle the shorter object. So first, I have, number one, I have two pencils. Which one is the shorter object? Which one is the shorter one? Pencil number one or pencil number two? What do you think? Which one is shorter? Excellent. Pencil number one. Now, number two, I have two boys. Two boys. Now, where is the shorter boy? Where is the shorter boy? The boy who is wearing a purple shirt or the one with the yellow shirt? What do you think? Excellent. So the boy wearing yellow shirt is shorter. Shorter. Excellent. Now, B. Order from shortest to longest. Order from shortest to longest. Write 1 for shortest. Write 3 for tallest, and of course 2 in the one for the one in between. Okay? So I should write 1 for the shortest and 3 for the tallest. Now I have a dog, I have a mouse, and I have a giraffe. Now, what do you think? Where is the shortest animal? Which one is the shortest out of these three? The dog, the mice, or the giraffe? So 1 for the dog, 2 for the mice, and 3 for the giraffe. Which one is the shortest? Excellent. The mouse is the shortest. So I will write number 1. Now, where is the tallest animal? Is it the dog or the giraffe? What do you think? The giraffe. Excellent. So, this means that the dog will be number 2. The dog is in between. So, I have 1 for the mouse, 2 for the dog, and 3 for the giraffe. Now, next I have 3 paint brushes. 3 paint brushes. Now, order from longest to shortest. Order from longest to shortest. So I should start with the longest and end with the shortest. Write 1 for the longest. Write 3 for the shortest. So now we are ordering them from the longest to the shortest. So I will ask myself, where is the longest paintbrush? Where is the longest paintbrush? Is it the first one, the second one, or the third one? What do you think? Where is the longest paintbrush? Excellent. Number 1. So the first paintbrush is the longest. So I should write 1. Now, where is the shortest paintbrush? The shortest one. Is it number 2 or 3? What do you think? Yes, excellent. It's number 2. So, the first brush is the longest, so I will write number 1 on it. And the second brush is the shortest, so I will write number 3. 3. And where is the one in between? Where is the one in between? Excellent. It's the third brush. The third brush. Excellent. Perfect. Now here I have draw lines to match. Draw lines to match. I have the clips, right? I have paper clips. Now, I have longest and shortest. I have longest and shortest. Okay? Now, I will draw only 2 lines. One with the longest and one with the shortest. Now, if you look at the paper clips, the first one I have only 1 paper clip, right? I have only 1 paper clip. The next ones I have 1, 2, 3, 4 paper clips. I have 4 paper clips. And number 3 I have 1, 2. So I have 2 paper clips. So I have longest. Longest. Should I match the word longest with the first paper clip, or the 4 paper clips, or the 2 paper clips? What do you think? Which ones are the longest? The 1 paper clip, the 4 paper clips, or the 2 paper clips? Yes, excellent. It's the 4 paper clips. So I will match it. I will match the word longest with the 4 paper clips. Now, shortest. 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 Should I match it with the only 1 paper clip, or with the 2 paper clips that are joined together? Shortest. Yes, excellent. I will match it with the only 1 paper clip. Good. Next, I have 3 buildings. I have 3 buildings. I have number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now, which one is the shortest? Which one is the shortest? Is it building number 1, building number 2, or building number 3? What do you think? Yes, it's building number 2. Perfect. Now, which building is the tallest? The tallest. Is it building number 1 or building number 3? Building number 3. Perfect. Now, I have 3 feathers. I have 3 feathers. Can you see? Now, I have number 1, feather number 1. I have feather number 2, and I have feathers number 3. Now, which one is the shortest? The shortest. Is it number 1, 2, or 3? Yes, excellent. It's number 2. Now, which one is the longest? Longest. Is it number 1 or 3? Number 1. Perfect. Now, the last one for today is order from shortest to longest. So I will order from the shortest to the longest. So I should write number 1 for shortest, number 2 for the in-between, and number 3 for the longest. Okay? Here I have 3 snakes. Snake number 1, snake number 2, and snake number 3. Where is the shortest snake? The shortest snake, is it snake number 1, snake number 2, or snake number 3? Yes, excellent. So, snake number 1 is the shortest snake. So, I will write number 1 on it. Now, I have 2 snakes left. Where is the longest snake? The longest snake is snake number 2. Excellent. So I should write number 3 for the longest. 3 for the longest. And what about the third snake? So it's not the shortest, it's not the longest. This means that it's in between. In between. Good, excellent. So, snake number 1 is the first one. I will write number 1 under it. I will write number 3 on the second snake, and number 2 under the third snake. Excellent. So by here I come to the end of our lesson, and thank you so much. We will continue later. Bye bye.